So this is Core Connections Algebra, Chapter 1, and this learning target is going to be understanding and simplifying expressions using order of operations. And I will do two separate problems that I hope help you be successful on your first chapter test. So the first one is going to be 27 times 1/3 divided by -3. Okay, so in order of operations, if we just want to review that, the first thing is grouping symbols. That's number one. Number two is exponents. And the third thing in order of operations is multiplying or dividing, and you do those in order as you see them, going from left to right, like you read a sentence. And the last thing we do in order of operations is add and subtract, or add or subtract, and that is also you do in order as you see those operations as you read it from left to right. So as I'm looking at this, I have 27 times 1/3 divided by -3. There are no operations to perform inside of grouping symbols. I just see a times and I see a divide. I don't see any exponents either. So I do the times and divide in order that I see them as I read this expression from left to right. So that means that I have to do the times first. So I am going to take the 27 times the 1/3 first, and what that ends up being is 9. And then what I'm left with is I have to still divide that by -3. And then 9 divided by -3 is -3. So our final answer in simplifying this expression using order of operations is -3. Next we will do one that's just a little bit harder. We will do 18 minus 2 times 3 squared. So in order of operations, again, we do grouping symbols first, which I see no grouping symbols here. The next thing I do is I see exponents. So I do see that I have a 3 squared. So the first thing that I have to do is I have to square that 3. So what I end up with when I square the 3 is I see 18 minus 2, and then that times 9. So 3 squared is 9. Now, in order of operations, multiply and divide come after exponents, and you do those in order from left and right. I don't have any divide, but I do have multiplication. So I want to multiply the 2 times the 9 in the next step, since I do multiplication before I do subtraction. So I have my 18 and I have my minus, and then 2 times 9 is 18. And now the last thing that I do in order of operations is add or subtract in the order from left to right as you see them. I don't have any addition, I just have subtraction left. And so I have 18 take away 18, and that equals 0. And that would be my final answer as I simplify that expression. I hope this helps. Good luck on your first exam.